Okay, here we go. Notes. Notes for today's assignment. Okay. All right. So now it's going to say solve. It's going to say solve, and I'm just going to throw the problem up there. Here it goes. Ready? Number 1. X squared plus 7x minus 18 equals 0. Anybody have an idea what do we have to do here? We've learned everything we need to do. Yesterday's assignment, it didn't say solve, it said factor, and you didn't have the equal 0 part. It was just like this, right? But what you're actually going to do is you're going to factor this out, right? We're going to factor first. And get those two parentheses, right? And then equal 0 is the zero product property, which is so easy, right? Okay, so then there we go. How do we factor this? This is going to be 2 of them that factor like that equals 0. Once I get this, it's going to be so easy what the answers are, right? I don't know. Let's see. What are my factors of 18? I got to list my factors of 18. 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, and I think that's it. Anybody figure out which 2 to use? Well, it has a takeaway, so I have to subtract to get a 7. Which of these can subtract to get a 7? Winner, winner, chicken dinner, right there. Okay, so it's going to be x. Yeah? The 2 and the 9? Yeah. And when it's subtract, there has to be one positive and one negative. Yeah, because I can't put them both positive, they'll add up to a positive 11. I can't put them both negative, they'll add up to a negative 11. Oh yeah, of course, that's another way you have to know. So well, this one has to be the positive on the 9, I think, right? Does everybody agree that's right? We're good? Yeah. That's it, we're finished? No. Just because, or now with the fact that it says equals 0, what does that mean to you? That means this is the zero product property, right? Which values of x will give me a 0 when these are multiplied? Remember the one where you got to put this x minus 2, put it equal to 0, and the x plus 9 equal to 0. Remember that? That's easy. Okay, final 2 answers. Positive 2. The answer is positive 2 and negative 9. It still factors like this, but since we're making it equal to 0, that's when they switch sign, yes? Everybody see how it's not anything new? We've learned this. We've learned these before, this stuff. All right, we're good with that one? All right, I'm going to put another one. I'm going to throw you off, throw you a curveball. Ready? No questions on this one? All right, number 2. What if I put x squared, let me think of something good. Minus 20x plus 36 equals 0. Oh, no. I messed up. That's not right. Sorry. It should be equals negative 36, like this. What did they write it like? Let me write it again. I'm sorry. X squared minus 20x equals negative 36. It's not going to say equals 0. Anybody have an idea what to do? You have to put the negative 36 to the other side. Yes, we wanted to say equals 0. Move everything to the to the one side. Yeah, correct. So whatever is not on together with the other ones, move it over. Make sure you change the sign so You're right. X squared minus 20x, and now that's going to be a plus 36 equals 0. See, we're always going to want to do it like this, and it's equals 0. Let me do 36 real fast for you, because 36 has a lot of factors. 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, 6 times 6. That's it. Okay, now what? That plus tells me that I got to find two answers that add to a 20. Which one? Winner, winner. There it is. Correct. So it has to be the one with the XX, with a 2, and with a 18. Correct. And what do the signs have to be so they add up to a negative 20? Huh? Oh, negative and a positive? What the? Which one's positive? Both are negative. Yeah, watch out. Make sure yeah. All right, that is cool. All right, and then I think you can just give me the answers, right? If this is the way it factors out and it's equal to 0, I think you can give me the answers right away. What's the answer for this one? Equals positive, negative 2? Or remember how we had to do the opposite? We remember that? And this one's what? Positive 18, right? Remember, because when you set it equal to 0 and solve it, it's the opposite sign? Yeah. We got it? Okay, last one. Just to mess you up. No, I'm kidding. Just so that you won't say, you didn't show us these. Number 3. Okay, let's see how I'm going to do this. X squared equals negative 6x plus 40. That's what x squared equals. 1. I don't like that. I don't like the way it looks. So what do we do first? Move everything to the side where the square is positive. I know it would be easier to move this one that way and it's one move, but you don't want your x squared to be negative. You don't want the part that's squared to be negative. So if that's positive, everything goes to this side. Did everybody get x squared what? Positive. Plus 6x and then minus 40 equals 0? Yeah, that's where you want to be. Make sure you start here where it's all equal to 0 and don't mess up on your signs. Okay, let me do my 40. My list of the factors of 40. 1 times 40. 2, 20. 3, no. 4, 10. 5, 8. That's it. I think that's it. And if you see that, what do you look at now? This sign. This is a takeaway sign. What does that tell you? Subtract these numbers to get a 6. Which ones? 10 and 4. 10 take away 4 will give you a 6, yeah? All right, then you got it. You got the right combination here. All right, so that's going to be XX, 4 and a 10, or 10 and a 4, whichever you put it. But you got to put the signs in the right place. They can't be both positive because if they add up, they'll add up to a 14. They can't be both negative because they'll add up to a negative 14. That means one has to be positive, one has to be negative. Which one? Negative on the 4? You guys agree that it'll add up to a positive 6? Yes. That's it. Then it's right. Oh, and then it does multiply to a negative, right? When the signs are different, it multiplies. So that's good. That's good. Okay, that's the way it factors, but the answers are not that. The answers are what? The answers, now that it says equal to 0, are going to be the... You guys agree it's going to be the opposite? Yeah. Is that it? You guys agree? That's it then. I'm telling you, it's not anything new. It's, just two things we've learned in the past, and now they're being applied here in these problems like this. Okay, there you go. Easy.